Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of May 12th through 18th. And this week I'm excited to use my new Jams and Jellies collection. This is coming out this Friday, May 16th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And how fun and springy are these? All right, so I will also be using these pens this week. I'll be using my Esterbrook Esty in Lilac and the Leonardo Memento Zero Grande 2.0 in Angel Skin. Oh, that is a lot to say. Okay, first things first though is my ruler. And this is the first plan with me I've done since before I left a little over a week and a half ago. So I feel like I'm out of practice. I did a few videos before I left just so that I could have that taken care of and I would not need to worry about it while I was away. And it was great. I had videos scheduled, ready to go, and I didn't need to worry about it. But also, I didn't need to worry about bringing planner stickers with me because that was all set up. Oh, I need to cover this area up here, and this is the wiper cream tape. I got this from Paper Plus Cloth, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that out. The magic of editing where you don't even see me do that. Okay, so I'm going to take these ink splatters. I think this was the hardest for me to do in terms of ink splatter because there were so many colors and I wanted to make sure that they didn't turn a murky brown, and that can be tricky because you kind of want the colors to mix, but not really. So you have to be careful with how much you get them to mix. And I like covering up that bottom area with these ink splatters just because I think it adds so much just down to that bottom area. And I've really enjoyed using the Hobonichi weeks this year, but I feel like in terms of space, I would want to be able to use this. So I may, depending on what covers come out next year, I can't believe I'm already talking about 2026 planners, but depending on what planners come out next year and the condition of the Tomoe River paper, I may get another weeks, who knows, or get maybe a sterling ink that has the full week size there. Okay. Like, how did I plan the last couple of weeks? I can put it all in the middle and still have plenty of room. I'm just thinking here because I need to about the end of Tuesday. That is a great marker. So then where are my, there we go. Searching for my tweezers and I almost poked my finger out with them. Cute. And then this jar. Oh, put that in like the worst spot. There. And then place a strawberry in between. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And then I'll do one more jar. Actually, do I have room? So I need basically enough for habits and tasks, which could essentially go from the Saturday line below. So I could actually put the habits and tasks in between here and then put these down here. Okay. Yes. And put you down here with the cute little oranges. And then I feel like I'm gonna leave that as is, but I will use these dots to add color to the dates. And then it's just a small little thing, but adding color to the dates adds so much to this side of the spread. Yeah, I'm filming this on Sunday, the 11th, and I'm just getting my bearings back after being gone for 9 days. It's the longest I've been away on my own, I guess, from my family. And coming back to routine, and I was craving coming back to my routine. While I loved being out and traveling, I did crave my routine. So up here, we'll do my sleep score. And draw in the graph. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saying that, my sleep score was actually really good while I was away. The hotel room beds were lovely. And basically just stretched out on that king size or queen size bed all to myself. Sleep score, and then next to it will be my workouts. Oh, my watch telling me to move. And while I was away, I was actually pretty good about going to the gym. The gym at the DoubleTree in Chicago had weights, so I was able to do some weight training. And the gym in Palm Springs also had weights, so I was able to do all of my weight training while I was away, which was actually really good. I was happy that I was able to at least have that as part of my routine. For me, I need that to start my day. Oh, my hand. And put it down. Okay, and then down here will be my habits. And then let's see here. What are my habits again? Vitamins. I have been so bad at listening to my audiobook though. I just haven't found anything really interesting. My nighttime routine and no stationery spend. I spent quite a bit while I was in Chicago, so I really want to save my money for my next pen show, which is going to be the Pacific Northwest Pen Show in Portland in July. So I'm going to try to be really good about my spending. Oh, crap. I'm going to try to be really good about my spending so that I have more to spend there. But also, because I'm in Canada, shipping costs are crazy right now. And it's just, and then the customs that I get hit with, it's just not worth it for me to purchase anything from my regular American fountain pen vendors until I'm actually in the US. So I'm going to put an ink splatter there just because I can. But that reminds me, I do have to book my ticket for the Pacific Northwest Pen Show. It is a smaller show, and Stacy, the organizer, is trying to build that up. Oops, my fingers. And go down. But yeah, she's trying to build up that show. But I like it because the Pacific Northwest Pen Show allowed me to really get to know some vendors that I wouldn't have had the courage or the time to get to know like in the larger shows. So now that those are done, I can go ahead and fill in my schedule here. So first, I need blotting paper. Where is my blotting paper? I have some here. Okay, so work schedule. Am I like hitting the microphone every time I bend down like that? No. So work. 9. And then Tuesday is the same. So nothing too different about my schedule this week. Thursday is the usual day that I start a little earlier, about half hour. And then Friday. Now, because next weekend is a long weekend, I don't think Henry has swimming, but I have to double check. And then he has badminton, but I'm supposed to have plans this day, and I need to see if I can actually get the tires on my car changed on that day. But I think my parents should be coming home sometime then too. Okay, I'm a little all over the place. Now, my to-do lists for the week. I will need to, sorry if I keep touching the microphone here, meal plan, order groceries, and I will probably need to do the kids or the bed linens that day too. And then here, put out garbages or garbage, put out garbage bins. And I know that I need to, I'll probably do the product listings here and send out or get the email prepped. Then Thursday will be pick up groceries. And then I have, and then Friday, no plans. I need to confirm, but I think I'm having lunch with Jan. Saturday, we are also cleaning. So we'll be doing the bathrooms. My husband will do the vacuuming. Henry's been really getting into helping with that too. Then I need to, well, he can do the door handles and light switches. Robin will mop. And then Sunday, oh, my new release comes out that day. I feel like I'm missing something. I need to check my phone. Okay, nothing else that I think I need to worry about except weather. Now, I did not do a good job of keeping track of the weather while I was in Palm Springs. It was basically hot. And then when I was in Chicago, it was rainy and windy. Actually, I didn't go outside on the Saturday. Yes, I did. It was cold. I basically walked from the hotel to the restaurant and then back, but it was cold. So pulling out my iPad here for the weather for the next week. And somebody asked me, why do you like to write down the weather? One, I find it interesting because here where I'm from, the weather can change so drastically. And I just like to keep track of the weather predictions versus what actually happened. But two, it also helps me plan out the week. Okay, oh, it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Oh, I get to use the little umbrella. Cute. And then sun and cloud. And then cloudy, basically cloudy the rest of the week, except Sunday is sun and cloud. I love this stamp. Bought it from AliExpress. Okay, then, all right, so tomorrow, the high 14, and this is all in Celsius, the low is 10. And 18 and 7 on Tuesday, 17 and 8, 12 and 3, 15 and 3, whoops, low 3, and Saturday 15 and 6, and Sunday 16 and 6, which is not bad for May long weekend. All right. Oh, it is nice for me to be getting back into routine. I don't think there's anything else that I want to add to this. I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it fun and colorful and lovely. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember, these stickers do come out this Friday, May 16th at 9 a.m. at Mountain Time. Thanks again for watching and have yourselves a great day.